guys, welcome to Cooking Tutorials and Gaming channel. Today we're showing you how to make Japanese curry soup. This one is spicy and is also tasty and easy to make. And if you want to see more of our videos, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, like and share. But let's start cooking now. The ingredients are, you will need is 3 tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of curry. This powder. This has to be spicy. You can have it mild, you can have it spicy, whatever you want, but it has to be spicy. You will need is carrots cut to cubes, potatoes also cut to cubes, and onions that are cut to small pieces. And you will need beef, and you will cut it to slices. And you're gonna boil them. Now, guys, you will need a pot. You will add some olive oil, and now you will add the onions that you have cut. You're gonna keep on mixing it until it becomes the goldish color. Now, guys, you're gonna add flour, the 3 tablespoons of flour. You're gonna mix it. Now, after that, you're gonna add the carrots. Add the potatoes. You're gonna mix it. You're gonna add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. And you're gonna add the curry powder, the spicy one. After you do that, you're gonna mix it. After you mix it, you're gonna add water. If we have boiled. Of course, you're gonna add liquid, but a lot. this and we're gonna cover it. We're gonna prepare the rice. The best thing is if you have Japanese rice, use it, and make sure to cook it with the cooking machine. For the Japanese rice where they use the cooking machine. So since we don't have that, we're gonna use an Egyptian rice. You need the pan with hot oil. Next you're gonna add water and you're gonna add salt. After this, you're gonna cover it. So now it's ready, the curry soup. We added some spicy pepper right there because the curry powder was not spicy at all, so we had to add some spicy pepper. And the rice is also ready. Okay guys, so we have reached at the end of the video. Hope you like this meal. This meal is traditional in Japan and it's also easy to make and it's tasty. And if you want to see more of my videos, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, like and share. Bye bye.